helping?
Yeah.
You're such a good helper. What are you doing?
Vacuum.
Yeah?
I'm vacuuming in here too.
Okay.
You scissors in here too?
Okay, I will. I hope you always want to help me clean like this. Are you always going to want to help Mommy clean?
Yeah.
Do you like to?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Vacuum.
Vacuum? Yeah. I love you. Are you a big helper?
Yeah.
Are you going to turn on the light? Oh,
Yes.
thanks.
The other one.
What else do we have to clean?
The tables.
The tables? Okay, let me help you now, okay?
You do the sweep.
I'll sweep. Okay,
You
thank.
sweep in here for a little bit.
Okay, I'll come sweep in there. I love you.
Yeah.
Thank you for your help.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.